Hello. So today we're going to be talking about, come on, really, okay. So make sure it gets the right. Okay. CEPTSM. CEPTSM. Should I write it bigger? CEPTSM. CEPTSM. Yeah, really. Okay. So what CEPTSM stands for is coolest equation for Pythagorean triples. Not yet, really. Solving method. Make sure it gets the writing. Okay, so see it? Okay. So I know this is terrible grammar, but whatever. So this is CEPTSM. So first we have, I'm going to start off, Pythagorean theorem. Start off with no, that's not the best one. A squared plus B squared plus C squared. No, don't tap. For a right triangle of A, B, and C. This is Pythagorean theorem. And today we're going to be looking for triples of A, B, and C. Don't tap. Where A, B, and C are all integers. Don't tap. So I'm just going to take it from you so you can all see that. Okay, Lily. Take the record. No, don't tap. Okay, so now, don't tap. Okay, so now we're going to start. So I'm going to come up with a sequence of numbers. It's a quadratic sequence, actually. Okay, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is the basic. This is 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, and 5 squared. So if I take the difference, this is between 1 and 4, you have 3, 4 and 9, you have 5, between 9 and 16, you have 7, 16 and 25, you have 9. See? Cool, right? Okay. So for CEPTSM, what you're going to do is change this. This is a linear equation. It's linear. It's clearly linear. And the equation for it is 2x plus 1. Oh, 1. Oops. No, that's a 1. If 3 is the first term. So, how does this relate to Pythagorean triples, you may ask? So, here you have 2x plus 1 as your first equation. So now, pick a number from, actually pick an odd number from 1 to 20 to keep it simple. Actually, you can use this for any odd number as long as it's positive. So, odd number. So let's say 13. Actually, no. That one's kind of hard. So how about you're silly, Willie. Okay, it's 9. How about 9? 9 to keep it simple. So 2x plus 1 equals, first you put your, that, how in the, see that ABC thing? So here, I'm gonna do similar recording because you're kind of slanted. Anyway, so you put the 9 right there. Yeah, hi Willie. Too much noise. 9 right there. And then you put 9 squared, or 81, over here. So you solve it. So you get 2x equals 80, and eventually x equals 40. See? So you put your 40 over here, the middle, and then add 1 to the 40. 41. Don't believe me? This is a Pythagorean triple. And if you don't believe me, you can put it in there. Put it in that equation. You put it 9 squared plus 40 squared equals 41 squared. And I am 100% sure that it'll work. Just put it in your calculator. Alright, so next we're going to discuss, well, okay, first memorize. You don't have to memorize it, but just keep it in mind. 2x plus 1 equals the square of your odd number. Stop moving, Willie. The square of your odd number. And then x is equal to the middle number, or stop, Willie. Or b. And your odd number in that case is your a term. And c is equal to your b plus 1 when you figure all this out. So we have that down. So do you want to learn about even numbers now that you've learned about odd numbers? Alrighty, so let's continue. Really, don't make any noise. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is how I like to do it, because it's more simple that way. So this is 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared. You know, the 3, the 5, the 7, the 9. But this time, you know, this is linear, right? So you add those two together. Instead of finding the difference, which is minus that, you add them. So you get 8, 12, and 16. And this, my friends, is also a linear equation. And it goes by 4x plus 4, for 8 being the first term. So now you can find even numbers as well. So give me any even number. I'm just going to give myself 12, because I like 12 a lot. No, don't put 12 there. Sorry, don't put 12 there. So you give your first thing. So your a term is your even number. Your b term is your x. So first you put your even number squared, 140. Stop, Willie. So 4x equals 140, x equals 35. See, right there? So you put 35 as your b term, and instead of adding 1 this time, your c equals your b plus 2 in this case. Don't confuse this with the first one, because you'll get it all wrong. So, well, even if you did get it wrong, you could still add the square here, the square here, you know. Yeah, you'd still get it, but at least you have 2 terms now. You have the a and the b, so you could easily find the c or whatever you needed. So, also you can test this out if you want, okay? So, hope this was helpful. Just saying, I actually figured this out myself, so that's why it's called CEPTSM. Oh, no, not CEPTSM. I'm kind of tired. Anyway, so CEPTSM, coolest. You know what? I'm not gonna try it again. So coolest equation, Pythagorean triple solving method. So this is your Joy's equations.
.org.
No, Willie. Alrighty. Bye-bye.